Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Myself Arun, and today in this video, I'm gonna provide you a quick walkthrough of this Amazon Excel dashboard, which has many pages. So this is for CFO CEO dashboard. So here we have created a chart for year-wise total sales, then 2023 conversion rate. This is a graph which shows 2024 conversion rate. We have covered a lot of charts and a pie charts, which provides different type of information. For example, sales by location. Then we have top selling products. And then this is 2023 data. This is 2024 data for sales. And this is the revenue by goods. So this is the required information for the top management or CEO and CFO. Again, we have a senior management sales dashboard as well, which is providing the information of month-wise unique customers. So this is the unique customers that come to our site on every month. So this is the visit with month-wise unique customers count. Then we have another graph depicted here, which provides us the information of location-wise sales. And then orders, how many orders we get from different types of locations. Then which are our top selling products. So this information is being required for senior management sales team. Then the another dashboard that I've created is CTO for CTO. So technology, this is monthly and yearly wise of number of visits for 2023 and 2024 year. Then again, how many types of payments are used here? So this is for cash on delivery. Then this is for online. Then we have another graph that provides information for monthly and year-wise error percentage for our website. So this is the dashboard which is required by CTO. And again, this is our raw data. So this is the orders table from where we have created the graphs, which we have all the fields, order ID, order date, quantity, and customer ID, and so on till the last right hand side. And we also created some of the formula here. Let's say if we want to create the unique customers, so we have a COUNTIF. So this formula is being used for creating the unique customers. Then we have a category. So category also we are getting from another tab, which is the products table. Here's the products table from where we are getting the category. So I created a VLOOKUP. I fetched the value that is R2, which is our product name. We are matching this product name from products table from that table array, and we are fetching the value by matching this product name. So here it is our category toys. Then again we from this data I have fetched year from this date data. So this is our order date. So we want I have fetched using the formula the year, month, and date, year, month, and day value. So this raw data is further calculated to get the values in this dashboard. So this is the graph which I mean CFO CEO. If you right click on it, then click on select data, then you will be able to get from where the data is coming on. So this is the technique of checking the data, and then these all are the dashboard values. So how many sales are being produced have been occurred on year wise. So this is 3 to 2023 data where I've created formulas. Some it's formula, there is some complicated formula here from where I'm getting the values for January, February, March, April, May, and so on till December. And this is our total year value. So for total sales from January till December, we have 3,10,969.23 value. Again, same, I have created, these all are the total number of orders that we have achieved. So again, we have used countex formula and then the number of customers and then the number of items countifs. And this is sum ifs formula that we have used to gather this tabular data into one. Then again, we have another KPI, that is total sales, total number of orders, total number of customers yearly wise. So this is for 2023. So all data has been referenced from that orders and customers table, this one. So from where I have created this table to provide us the count and the calculation. And this again, this is for web traffic and the visits, unique visitors, time on site, bounce rate. So all these are being calculated using sum ifs and count ifs formula. And some modifications also have been done in these tables to get the data in this dashboard. Then again, we have the top selling products, top selling goods. So this is these graphs, top selling that I showed you earlier has been created from this data, which is already also creating the values that is large, small, that top selling products. And then again, we have revenue by location. So all these tables have been created from this formulas from the raw data here. So this is all from this video. This is Amazon sales dashboard. So if you like this video and if you want this file, you can just reach me out. I will be sharing my email ID and my WhatsApp or Telegram number in the description part of this video. So I hope you like this video. So thank you for watching this video and have a good day. Take care. Bye.